Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright, I would like to welcome y'all to the Dominoes 7 show. Live location right here at my crib. Day 2, Saturday, Wizard World Comic Con episode. Okay? Alright. So anyway, I had lots of fun yesterday, found Super Retroland and stuff like that, and I'm so proud that I did, and I found this video game guy that I found last year. Well, last year Super Retroland wasn't here, you know, but now Super Retroland has finally returned. Okay, I hope Kristen and Allie be here this year, you know, because you know the year before last, Kristen and Allie was puking, you know, so on that note, she was puking, and Kristen couldn't move. I don't know about Allie, but she was puking too, you know. Let me cut on the lights so y'all can see me. Okay. Alright. So anyway, folks, I just want to I just wanted to say that I'm very excited for Comic Con again, you know. Comic Con again. Alright, if y'all know what I mean, you know. So, on that note, folks, I mean, I had awesome time yesterday, and I know I'm going to have awesome time today. Bobby may come today or tomorrow, I don't know, okay? I don't know if Bobby going to be able to make it, you know, today, but I don't know about tomorrow either. But we'll have to see today or tomorrow. I think he's going to make it tomorrow, okay? So I'll be looking for Allie and Kristen, you know, Kristen and Allie, whatever makes sense, like Austin and Allie, or Allie and Austin, you know. Laura Morano and oh shit, I forgot the guy name. Well, I'll find out though. Okay. All right. So anyway, I'm in my pajamas right now. Okay. Y'all see, I'm still in my pajamas. Okay. So as y'all know, I don't know why I'm broadcasting myself in pajamas right now. Well, let me go outside. I just said brr, just to say brr. Okay, so it's not that cold outside. It's a teeny tiny bit, a little pinch cool. You understand? You know what I'm saying? Okay. So, alright, so I'm about to go get in the tub and stuff like that. Alright, I'm going to see y'all after I get out the tub.